Hello again. So I have been out this morning away from charts since my last video, and as I mentioned in the previous video, I'd done my levels on both gold and cable, and it seems stupid not to take a trade on gold. There's so much going on with this coronavirus thing and the state of the of the world at the moment, and it's a no-brainer really that gold is going to go up because it's a safe haven. The stock market's crashing, but as you know, I don't use fundamentals in my analysis, but I'd be stupid to look a gift horse in the mouth, these gift trades as it were. So you're looking at a 5-minute chart. I got into the trade a little bit late, but you can clearly see, you know, the uptrend is in place here, massive uptrend. I've got my levels all pre-drawn on the charts. I'm finding this very useful when I'm below it, as it were, the resistance of this SS support and resistance indicator. Just a belt and 2 pairs of braces now, I suppose. But if it's there and it works, why not use it? You know, we've got resistance became new support here. They call it turncoat support on that indicator. So yeah, no-brainer trades, following the rules. My plan was to go long and keep going long at every opportunity. Yesterday was a stonking day on gold and cable, 5 or 6 times my normal daily requirements, and today I'm on this is a 12 pip winning trade, actually just over, so it's double my normal requirement. So I'm 3 days worth of trades. Billy TT talks about he takes his 5 pips and the rest is there to cushion him against the losers, and it's a very good way to think about these things. So yeah, I mean, you know, you're stacking away credits, as it were, ready for when you get that ultimate, which always happens, of course. You get that loser, whether it's by mistake. I've made a couple of stupid mistakes, not so recently, but last week, maybe the start of the week, I can't remember. I pressed sell instead of buy, got myself out of trouble, but it annoyed me. And I think I mentioned another one where I what did I do? Oh yeah, I was just patting myself on the back, having made about the 3rd or 4th winning trade, and I happened to look down at my account and or quite a substantial loser, and somehow I'd managed to drag across an order of using these dragging stuff into the charts, and goodness knows how that happened, but these things do happen. So, you know, it's the moral being, keep stacking those trades away when you can, for when you get problems. I got out of that one as well without having an actual loser, so I count myself extremely fortunate. But these things do happen, guys, so keep trading. There's not a lot more I can say about this gold trade, actually. Just let's have a look. As always, I do check the higher time frames. I knew we were in a massive uptrend. The indicators were telling me that, as well as all the other stuff on the chart. I know it looks a massive mess, guys. I do apologise for that. Oh, actually, I looked at this 15-minute, and you know, I'd got that on my chart. I'd got that, what I call the momentum move, where the price can't go below 0, and the only way to trade is up, as it were. In this instance, here's another instance of that, and you can see the price just carried on. And here's another instance over here. You can't really see the price, but trust me, it's carried on. And that, coupled with the RSI histo, which I did check the 1 hour as well, and that's another thing that should be mentioned. When you get there's the momentum on the 1 hour as well. When you get a change of colour on a higher time frame like that, you need to trust it that it's just going to go and go and go. The higher time frame, the nearer you are to the change of colour, the more likely you are to have a superb day. H4 again, just turned from the pullback on the red to the green, and then with your candlestick counter timer, as it were, counting down. We've still got 30 minutes of this new green bar to continue, but the point I'm trying to make about this is that I wouldn't really want to enter when a candle is so far into its time. If this just switched to green, and then this was 3.5 hours left of the bar, then you've got a good that means that bar has still got, in my head, it's still got the power in it, if you like. Obviously it depends on time of day. You're looking at slack time of days with these little bars here, but when you get a turn of colour on that, like here, a whole 4 hours, a green candle, like here, then you go virtually a whole day with a green candle. These are things I don't mention, but they're always in the back of my mind. It's always important to understand what the indicators and the candlesticks are telling you in the longer term. I have digressed a little bit there, but at the end of the day, when I think of these things, I like to remind you guys of them, as it were. And there's that trade on the 1 minute chart. It's slapping into the R1 as well, which was a magnet to the price, in my opinion. And that's it, really. Just think of everything you can, guys, to build up a better picture of what's going on. I can tighten up this 1 minute trend line as well now, because remember, nothing goes in a straight line as well, guys. Don't get complacent and expecting it to keep going up. The big boys want to take their profits, drive the price down, bring in sellers, and then wipe them out again with a move to the upside. So always be mindful of that. Anyway, thanks for watching again, and have a great day.